Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Today we have an exciting topic to explore: English listening practice through stories. Stories are a fantastic tool for beginners to enhance their language skills, improve comprehension, and build vocabulary. In this lecture, I will be sharing 5 captivating stories specifically designed for beginners. And after each story, I will ask a question to check your understanding. So, let's begin our journey of English listening through stories. So, the very first story is The Lost Kitten. Once upon a time, in a quiet neighborhood, there was a little girl named Mia. One day, she found a cute, fluffy kitten outside her house. The kitten looked scared and lost. Mia picked it up gently and brought it inside. She gave it some food and water, and the kitten started purring happily. Mia realized that the kitten must belong to someone, so she made posters and asked her neighbors if they were missing a kitten. Finally, she found the owner, and the kitten was reunited with its family. So the question is, what did Mia found outside her house, and how did she help her? The second story is the magical forest. In a faraway land, there was a magical forest filled with talking animals and enchanted trees. One sunny day, Lily, a young girl, ventured into the forest. She came across a wise old owl named Oliver, who offered to be her guide. As they walked together, Oliver shared fascinating stories about the forest inhabitants. They met a mischievous squirrel, a friendly deer, and a graceful butterfly. Lily felt amazed by the magic of the forest and made a promise to visit it again soon. So the question is, who did Lily meet in the magical forest? And what promise did she make? Okay, let's move towards next story. The Lost Treasure. Deep within a hidden cave there was said to be a legendary treasure. Many adventurers had tried to find it, but none had succeeded. One day, a brave young explorer named Jack set off on a quest to discover the lost treasure. He followed ancient maps, solved riddles, and overcame obstacles. Finally, after a long and challenging journey, Jack stood before the glittering treasure chest. As he opened it, he realized that the true treasure was not gold or jewels, but the knowledge and experiences gained along the way. So the question is, what did Jack found at the end of his quest for the lost treasure? Fine. So the next story is the friendly dolphin. Lucy and her family went on a beach vacation. While swimming in the clear blue sea, Lucy spotted a friendly dolphin swimming alongside her. They played together, and the dolphin seemed to understand Lucy's every move. It leaped out of the water and splashed its tail, creating a magical moment. Lucy felt a deep connection with the dolphin and promised to protect marine life and their habitats. So the question is, what did Lucy do when she encountered the friendly dolphin? And what promise did she make? The next and the last story is The Hungry Rabbit. Once upon a time, there was a cute little rabbit named Benny. He lived in a cozy burrow in the forest. Benny loved to hop around and eat delicious carrots. One sunny day, he ventured farther into the forest and lost his way back home. Feeling hungry, he searched for food but couldn't find any carrots. Suddenly, he heard a friendly voice. It was a wise old owl named Oliver. Oliver guided Benny back home, where a sumptuous carrot feast awaited him. So the question is, what was the name of the rabbit in the story? And who helped him find his way back home? I hope you enjoyed these stories and found them helpful for your English listening practice. By answering these questions, you have shown your understanding of the stories and your progress as English learners. And your progress as English learners. Remember, storytelling is an enjoyable way to enhance your language skills, vocabulary, and comprehension. Feel free to explore more stories, practice listening regularly, and embrace the joy of learning. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you all the best in your English language journey.